Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing how I did this makeup look with just 6 simple products, and most of them are under 500. So stay tuned to see how I achieved this makeup look. Also, you can do this makeup when you're going out just for a casual outing, or you're going for a brunch or for shopping. This can be your go-to look. So let's start. To start with, I begin with this simple hydrating gel creme moisturizer. Usually I go for my two basic moisturizers. It's either the simple one or the minimalist one. Since it's daytime, I am also going to use sunscreen. Okay, today I'll be using this minimalist SPF 50 sunscreen. Since it's daytime and I don't want a very heavy or cakey makeup, so I will not use primer today. I'm going ahead with this Mars High Coverage Foundation. This also has SPF 50, 50 PA++++. Never mind, it's always good to have high protection. Ooh. I think that's enough. For blending my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead with this brush from Mars Cosmetics. This is a 4-in-1 duo where you get one foundation, one concealer, and two eyeshadow blending brushes. Let's start. Okay, G, so foundation is done. Now I'm gonna be applying some color corrector for my under eyes, for which I'm gonna be using this Inside Cosmetics Pro Conceal palette, Pro Concealer palette, and I'll be using this peachish shade for concealing my under eyes. Don't forget to color correct your inner corners if you have a little darkness over there. I think I'm gonna leave it for some time. So I left the color corrector for a few seconds. Now I'm gonna apply the concealer. Today I'm gonna be using this Mars concealer in the color Dreamy Beige. Let's see. Oh, and so I'm gonna be blending using my concealer blending brush. This one is from PAC. When it comes to blending brushes, I think this is the best one for blending concealer. I've also used the Mars blending brush, but it's very soft, I would say, and it's not dense enough, to blend. So, although the foundation brush and the powder brush, it's really nice from Mars, but for concealer, I prefer using this PAC concealer. It's a bit expensive though, uh, so I think it justifies the price point. The concealer coverage is also nice. for the price point, I would say it's a really good concealer. So for today's look, I'm gonna be using this Fay Beauty blush in the shade Wifey. It's a pretty nice blush, I would say. It's a very high pigmented blush, so make sure to use a very less quantity. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's nice. It's pretty. And you need very less amount of this. Little bit of nose, little bit of chin. And I think today I'm gonna be using this only for my eyelids also. So let's do that. Okay. Now we're blending this. Okay, this looks good. Abhi, for the eyelids, I'm gonna be using this brush that came in a set of 4 that I told, right? It's very pigmented. Also, this is my first sit down video that I'm doing. Till now, I was just doing the shots and the shots basically. And so let me know if you like this format as well and if I should be making more such videos. Setting my eyes using this PAC setting powder. It's pretty. Okay, I think we are almost done. I'm just gonna do my brows, for which, okay, let me show you my PAC powder as well. This is the PAC setting powder that I use, and I've been using this since a very long time. This is their translucent powder in the shade 04, and I would say that you just need a very less amount of this. So yeah, for starters, you can just invest in a small product. This one is, I think, the smallest that comes in this. But yeah, I think buying the full size quantity of this product is not worth it. First, it is expensive, and then second, you won't be using all the product. So why not invest wisely? Okay. This is the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. So this is how it looks. You have the brow pencil on one side and the brush on the other side. And yeah, I like it. Okay, I think it looks good. I'm gonna just brush it using the same pencil. So we are done. Now I am just gonna be using my mascara. For all of you who have been following me, know that I am in love with this mascara and I've been using it for every single look. So this is the Staze 929 All Eyes on You Voluminizing and Waterproof Mascara. So the best thing about this is that it's super easy to remove. You just need to rub it with a good quantity of water and then it's gonna come off. So before this also, I think I have made a couple of videos and then I forgot about them. So none of them made it on my channel. Let's see if this one goes. But I'm hoping to put it today itself so that doesn't go missing and I have something. Okay, so I forgot using the eyelash curler, which I almost forget every single time, but we are not gonna crib about it, it's fine. But yeah, if you want that visible, I think it's more visible on the camera if I use the eyelash curler, but in person, like you can really see the difference this mascara makes in my eyes. So yeah. Yeah, so this is my this is my favorite hack that I've been using since a very long time. I like to use a very less quantity of this mascara that I use on my eyelashes to do my eyebrows as well. It provides a very good hold and I save money as well, so that always helps. Okay. Since it's daytime, I'm not gonna be using any highlighter on my face. Just the basic simple steps that I do on day-to-day basis. For today's lips, for the lips, I'm gonna be using this. Okay, yeah, this lipstick. This one is from K Beauty, and this one is from K Beauty, and it's in the shade Embrace. It's a very pretty nude pink shade. For this, I wanted to go ahead with a lip liner. This is a peach lip liner in the shade. This is from Mars Edge of Desire in the shade Nude Spell 08. This shade almost goes with every look, especially with the pink peach colors of lip shades. So this is the final makeup look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, do let me know if you would want to see such videos in the future so that we can meet again and chit chat again. Thank you. Bye bye.